Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset the Toyota CHR 2017 and up model. It's a hybrid one. We did an oil change and I'm going to show you how to service reset this by hand. I reset it the service already, but I'm going to show you how I did it so you can do it for yourself. I'm not 100% sure if it is possible to reset it twice, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to show you anyway how to do this. Okay, before we start, ignition is turned off. Turn on the ignition to the second position, turn or press the ignition on. Then you have two buttons over here. We're going to use the trip button. Press the trip button till you find trip A on the dashboard. Over here, yes. Once you have found that, you have to turn off the ignition, press and hold the trip button, and then turn the ignition back on to the second position. Normally you'll get a sign that it counts back from 5 to 0, and when it's counted back to 0, then you have resetted the service. This is the second time, so I cannot show you what really happened, but that's for sure how you can reset a Toyota CHR 2018 model. I hope you liked our video. Subscribe if you did, give us a thumbs up, comments and questions or anything you can ask me about it on the comment area, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another day on another video. Thank you. Bye bye.